Hello student and welcome again to the class 2. We are learning the subject computer. Okay. So in previous video student we have started our lesson number 2. The name of the lesson computers everywhere. Yes. So in previous video in this chapter first we learned places where computers are used. Yes, we learned places where computers are used like bank, airport, hotel, school, home, and what are the uses and how the computer is useful in these places. In this video we are going to see people who use computer. Okay, the people who use computers we are going to see. So let us start. Ready? Okay. For that student you have to open page number 15 of your textbook. Ready? So see, there are many people who use computers to help or entertain us. Let us know about some of them. Yes, there are many people who uses computer to help us or to entertain us. How we are going to see. Okay, and who are they? That's also we are going to see. See the first one. Yes, people who uses computer. So first one is doctors. Yes, have you seen a computer on the cabin in the cabin of doctors? Yes. Why doctors are using computer? Let us see. So the first one is doctors use computers while doing operation. Yes, while doing operation doctor use computers. Yes, they can see whatever they are doing on a computer with the patient. Okay, now they also use computers to examine patient and prepare their medical reports. While examine patient also and preparing their medical reports, they use computer. Have you seen the print of the any report? Yes. How they are preparing the reports of medical reports of us? They are using computer also for that. And again to test our eyesight. Yes. When you go to the eye specialist, what they do? They are just showing something. Yes, and they are asking and they are testing us our eyesight on the computer or with the help of computers. So you came to know that the why doctor or how the computers are useful for doctors. The doctor also use the computer. Now see the next one, architects and engineer. Now how the computers are useful for architects and engineers? Yes, architecture and engineers also use the computer. Architects use computer in designing building and houses. Yes, to building the structure of the house and the buildings. Yes, to design it, architects use the computer. Engineers use computers in designing cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Yes, to design the structure of cars, aeroplanes, how they function and other machines also engineers use computer. Yes, computers are useful for them also. Now we will see the next one who use the computer. Okay, the people who use the computer. See, engineers and architects using, yes, they are designing. You can see in the picture, some pictures are given in your textbook also. You can see that also. Okay, now you have to turn the page of your textbook and open page number 16. Here are some more people given, they use the computer. Okay, now see the next one, that is policeman. Yes, policeman also use the computer. How the computer is useful for them? See, policemen use computers to track criminal and to draw their sketches. Yes, when policemen want to track the criminal, they take the help of computer and to draw the sketches also. Have you seen any series like that, or in a cartoons also they are explaining the sketch of the criminal and policemen use computer to draw the sketch. They also use computers to identify fingerprints. Yes, to record the fingerprints of criminal and identify the fingerprints. Also, the computers is useful for the policeman. See the policeman using computer, yes, tracking criminal. Now see the next one, fashion designer. Yes, fashion designer also use the computer. Fashion designers use computer to design their dresses and jewelries. Your dresses and jewelries, they have to be designed first. They are designed by the fashion designers, and your jewelries also. Fashion designer use computers to design different kind of jewelries and beautiful dresses, and then they stitch the dress and it come to us. So see, the fashion designer is designing, yes, with the help of computer. Now see the next one. It is scientist. Yes, scientist. The computer is very much useful for the scientist. Scientists use computers in doing research, experiment and forecasting weather. Yes, while doing their research, it is very useful for the scientists. The computer is very useful for the scientists. They do their research, keep record on the computer. While doing experiment also, the computer is very useful for scientists, and forecasting weather also. Yes, how will be the weather today and what will be the effect of weather. Yes, the scientists are using it, computer, for that. Again, they also use computers in designing robots and in launching and controlling satellites and rockets and missiles. Yes, the computers are useful for scientists in designing robots. Have you seen the robots? Yes, computer for scientists first design the robot and then they make the robot. So while designing the robot or launching any satellite or rocket or missile, the computer is very useful for scientists, or you can say scientists are using computer for this reason. Now see the next one. See the scientist using, yes, you can see the picture how scientists are using the computer. Yes, now the next one is filmmaker. Yes, filmmaker also use the computer, and now we are going to see how it is useful for the filmmaker. Filmmakers use computers in creating and designing animation, movies and advertisement. Yes, giving animation, movies and advertisement, filmmakers are using computer. Do you like to watch cartoons? Yes, but how the cartoon is moving, can you imagine? Yes, first filmmaker have to design it. They have to give the animation to the cartoons characters, and then they can show us. Yes, otherwise it will be not possible without the help of computers. So filmmakers also use the computer to create, designing and animation, movies and advertisement. See the picture. Yes, they are designing. Now see the, so student, here we completed our lesson number 2, that is computers everywhere. In this lesson we saw places where computers are used and the people who uses the computer. So in next video we will see the exercise of this lesson. Till then, thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe.